Mike here with Vernon Signature Audio, and today we're doing a little upgrade. 2025 F-150 regular cab. We've already had this one in here, did an up 6, it's got a Triton amp on some audio control 10-inch subs, but now we're going to do that audio file upgrade, get the i7s in the front doors, i7 tweeters. We're going to go ahead and be using the sound skins, those them skins. Wavy foam on the plastic panel and the regular on the metal of the door. So yeah, it should be a quick, easy install. And then we got to retune it, of course, since we're going from factory to these bad boys right here. So stay tuned. Everyone, Mike here with Vernon Signature Audio, and the 2025 F-150 is done. Got the new i7 mid-bass drivers in the doors, i7 tweeters in the pillars. Doors have been sound deadened in the front, plastic panels as well. Everything's retuned, sounds great. If you're looking to get something like this done, remember to follow us on the app. Follow us here on the YouTube. Remember, it's not who you know, it's where you go. You know why I say that? Because a lot of people know my freaking cousin. And because he knows me, they think he can do the same job, and it sucks. Christian, tell him about my cousin.